Today, as promised, we're diving into the world of push-ups. Initially, my plan was to break down this exercise in excruciating detail. The placement of each limb, the correct movements, joint angles, the works. But after scoping out what's already out there on YouTube, I realized that there's a wealth of basic tutorials covering just about everything you need to know. So, I thought to myself, how can I bring something new to the table without just rehashing what's already out there? How can I add value in a fresh, practical, and intriguing way? And that's when it hit me. I should share insights that aren't always obvious, the kind of stuff that comes with experience and a deeper understanding of how your body, muscles, and skeleton works together. That's why I'm confident that this video will be beneficial for everyone, not just beginners, but also those of you who are seasoned in the fitness game. Strap in, because here are 5 key insights to elevate your push-up game. Starting off with a very popular method, the wide grip push-up, especially favored by beginners for its effectiveness in engaging the chest muscles. But let's talk about why you might want to reconsider this approach. A wide grip can dangerously lead to internal rotation of the shoulder bones, putting the shoulder joint in a less than ideal physiological position. Over time, with thousands of repetitions, this can cause significant wear and tear on your joints and tendons. Instead, I recommend positioning your elbows at a 45-degree angle relative to your torso. This setup not only protects the shoulder joint, but also optimizes muscle engagement. Remember, in everyday life, you won't find yourself pushing from such an exaggerated, wide-armed position. Push-ups, like many exercises, are highly specific. They're designed to target certain muscles under particular angles for growth or performance in sports, gymnastics, or military drills. Incorporating body awareness into your fitness routine, particularly with push-ups, is about aligning your exercise form with natural movement patterns. In everyday life, the physical actions we perform rarely mimic the rigid, isolated form of a textbook push-up. Real-world pushing motions, whether shoving a stalled car or moving heavy furniture, engage a diverse array of muscles spanning from your legs to your core, not solely the arms and chest. Understanding and implementing this holistic approach in your push-up technique can significantly enhance the exercise's effectiveness and safety. By consciously activating your legs, core, and back during a push-up, you distribute the workload across your body. This not only increases muscle engagement and overall strength, but also minimizes the stress on any single joint. Over time, as you become more attuned to your body's mechanics, you'll be able to adjust the intensity and focus of your push-ups, optimizing each movement for maximum benefit while protecting your joints from undue strain. The adage "less is more" holds especially true when it comes to executing push-ups. Many enthusiasts believe that increasing their count is the direct path to strength, but the reality is that the quality of each push-up is significantly more crucial than the quantity. Meticulous attention to form and technique not only enhances the effectiveness of the exercise, but also minimizes the risk of injury. When performing push-ups, the alignment of your body from head to heels should be straight and firm, engaging not just the chest, but the core, glutes, and legs as well. Each repetition should be executed with controlled movements, maintaining a steady pace and full range of motion, lowering your chest to just above the ground and fully extending your arms on the way up. This method ensures that the muscles are engaged correctly and sustainably. Focusing on form rather than sheer numbers helps prevent the common pitfalls of overtraining, such as joint wear and muscle strain. Therefore, instead of aiming to hit a high number of push-ups, concentrate on making each push-up perfect. This approach will yield better strength gains and muscle development, making your workout routine both safer and more effective. For those with a solid foundation in push-ups and looking to elevate their training, integrating advanced techniques and subtle variations can significantly enhance the exercise's intensity and effectiveness, particularly for targeting the upper chest. One such modification is to slightly rotate the wrists during the push-up. This small tweak changes the muscle engagement, intensifying the focus on the upper pectorals and triceps. Additionally, adjusting your body angle can also shift the load and intensity of the workout. Performing push-ups with your feet elevated increases the resistance on the upper chest and shoulders, simulating an incline press. Conversely, hand elevation mimics the decline push-up, targeting the lower chest. While these advanced variations can offer profound benefits in terms of muscle growth and overall strength, it's crucial to approach them with caution. Proper alignment and gradual progression are key to avoiding injury. Ensure that your body is fully capable of handling these modifications by maintaining strict form and listening to the feedback your body provides during workouts. Lastly, don't just stick to push-ups. Complement them with other exercises that target the chest and related muscle groups, like cable crossovers or dumbbell flies. These exercises can help you achieve better muscle isolation and growth. To all the beginners out there, don't rush into complex movements. Start with the basics. Ensure your push-up form is solid. Move your hips and hands in unison. Keep your body straight and avoid sagging or arching your back excessively. And remember, it's perfectly okay to start on your knees or with bent legs to build your strength gradually. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or an expert, the key is to understand the mechanics of each movement and listen to your body. Adjust your training as you gain strength and experience. Keep evolving your technique and never stop learning. That's all for today, folks. Hope you found these insights helpful. Here's to making each workout count. See you in the next video.